Hello everyone, I Harmeet welcome you all on WS Cube Tech channel. So in this video, we are going to talk about keyword analysis for YouTube. As you know that before talking about any SEO, be it Google or YouTube, we have to do the keyword research or keyword analysis, right? So let's get started. First of all, I have made this sheet. In that sheet, I'm going to do a sample keyword analysis for you. I have taken my sample topic. For example, I have created a video about how to train your dog. This video is about dog training. This video is about that how we can train our pets, right? So I have to do the keyword research for this particular video. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 3 ways to do the keyword research for your particular video or for your channel, right? So first of all, let's understand that what is a keyword. Keyword, as I've talked already in our previous video where I've talked about the types of keywords and what is keyword. Keyword is basically a word that a person puts in any search box, be it YouTube or the Google, and he put there some words and according to that he will get the search result. For example, if somebody wants to search for dinner recipes, so he would type in the search box, be it YouTube or the Google search engine, he would type like food recipes, Italian food recipes, Indian food recipes, right? So these are some words that a particular person puts in a search box in order to get the relevant results. So as a creator, it is our goal that whenever a person types a keyword related to our content, for example, I'm a food blogger and I'm posting food related recipes, food related videos. Okay, so in that case, my goal would be that if anybody types food recipes or any kind of food recipes, dinner recipes, lunch recipes, so I want that YouTube should show that person my content in the priority, or I should say that YouTube should show my videos in the higher rankings. Okay, so this would be my goal. For that, I need to know that what are the trending keywords and what people are actually searching on YouTube, so I can write my titles, I can write my description according to those keywords, so that YouTube can understand my content and it can be delivered to its relevant audience. Okay, so let's get started. So as I've talked already that I'm going to talk about 3 ways. One would be YouTube itself. We are going to use YouTube for the keyword analysis. Second would be the vidIQ. So as you know that this video is a part of course which we called the complete YouTube course Zero to Hero. So you'll get the link of that particular playlist in the description box. You can check that playlist out, and in that playlist you'll get all the videos about YouTube. Okay, so if you haven't installed a YouTube extension to your YouTube, do it as soon as possible. I have already talked about it. Okay, and we are also going to talk about TubeBuddy. So YouTube, vidIQ and TubeBuddy, these 3 ways are there from which we are going to do the keyword analysis. Okay, first of all, what you have to do, there's the number 1 step, that first of all you need to understand your content or what are some possible keywords for this content. Okay, it means you have to find out as much as keyword you can think of. Just think from your mind, logically think what could be the keywords that people will search when they want to find videos related to the dog training. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take this particular keyword. This would be my long tail keyword. So I'm going to just change a little bit. Okay, question mark, exclamation mark, full stop doesn't make a difference. Okay, so we are going to remove it or you can just keep it, your wish. So I'm going to use the same keyword in the next line and I'm just going to remove the your, because one word can make a difference. Okay, so I'm going to just give it a particular serial number. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to write as many as keywords as I can think of. Okay, how to train your dog. Okay, so the another would be dog training, because this is I can think of. Okay, I'm also going to add some particular language with it. For example, dog training in Hindi. Okay, because as you know that most of the YouTube users are from India. Okay. Okay, other than that, I'm also going to type some keywords related to the dogs. Okay, so just think of as many keywords as you can think by your own, by your mind. Okay, then we'll do the keyword analysis. Okay, so as you can see, these are some keywords that I could think of. I have just jotted them down. Okay, so these are some: how to train your dog, how to train dog. I have just removed the your, then the dog training, then the dog training in Hindi, dog training basic, how to train your dog in Hindi, puppy training in Hindi, puppy training at home, dog training at home. Okay, so these are some things that, some keywords that I can think of. So I have just jotted it down. Now we have to use the YouTube. Okay, so whenever you use the YouTube for the keyword research, make sure to open the, so that your result will not be influenced by your search history. Okay, so make sure that whenever you are doing keyword research and you are using YouTube, to open it in incognito mode. Okay, so now we are going to do some keyword research related to my video. So I'm going to type dog training, and I'm going to see that what are some suggestions I get. Okay, so you can see that dog training videos is a popular video, popular topic here. Dog training in some particular language like Malayalam, Tamil, Hindi. In Hindi, I have already taken. Dog training basics, that I have already taken because I found it good. Now there's a thing that dog training tricks. Okay, so I'm going to take it. Okay, so you can just take it and you can just paste it in your sheet. Okay, so we have found some other keywords also. I have jotted it: dog training videos. There are some tricks, there are basics. Now there is, okay, now there you can add some particular breeds also. Like if you have a Labrador, if you have a German Shepherd, then you can just add some like you can add some keywords related to that. Okay, now I'm going to change it a little bit and I'm going to type that how to train your dog. How to train a dog. Okay, so I have just written here that how to train. Now we have some things also like how to train a dog, how to train a puppy. Okay, so I'm going to take this keyword because this was popular, that's why it showed in my suggested box. All right, so I'm posting this particular keyword here. Okay. Okay, so here is this thing that how to train your dog to sit. If you have a particular relevant keyword, then you can use it. Okay, and there are some other short tail keywords that I'm going to use, like I'm going to use the word dog, then I'm going to write the puppy, and I'm also going to type the word pet. Okay, because pet is related to dog, definitely. Okay, so let's see, let's go. And now I have jotted down all the keywords that I could find. Okay, so now you have to just keep doing this research and you have to find all the keywords that you can. Okay, so this is our keyword research, that we have find out some good keywords by using YouTube. Now, so this is not the end of our analysis. Now we have to analyze. Now we have to analyze them in order to get the most ranking, or we can say the most popular keyword. Okay, so here are some other columns I have created. I have also created the volume. Volume is basically that this keyword, how many people are searching for this particular keyword. Okay, so what is the volume of people who are searching for this particular keyword? This is the competition, that how many people have used this keywords in their videos. Okay, so that I also have to check. And now this is the thing that you can just compare the volume with the competition. You can take out some ratio. I do it. It doesn't mean that you have to do it. You can just look for the volume and competition. You can just analyze that what keyword you should use. Now here is the column of ranking, that I have to rank them, my keywords, according to their popularity. It means according to their volume and competition. Now I have to rank them, and whatever would be the first number or two number, that I will use in my title. Other keywords I will use in my description, and all of them I'm going to use it in my tag box. Okay, so after this video there's another video is going to come where we'll talk about the title, how to write a title, how to write a description. Okay, so let's get started. I have figured out some keywords here. So you have to just find out as much as keyword as you can by using Google, by using YouTube, or this suggestion option, or you can just think of. Now we have to use vidIQ and we have to analyze that which keyword is more popular. Okay, so first of all I'm going to use the vidIQ. Either you can directly search for it, or what you can do, that I have already talked about that how you can install the vidIQ extension. Okay, so this is my vidIQ extension. You can see there are some other here options also. Okay, so either you can, from here you can search for the keyword inspector, or from, if you click on these three lines, you will get the keyword inspector. So you have to click on the keyword inspector. Here you can search for the keywords and you can see that what are more popular keywords. Okay, so now what we have to do, that I have to check all of my keywords that I have figured out from here. Now I'm going to copy them and paste it here. Okay, and we have to click on the search. Okay, so as you can see that for this keyword like how to train your dog, my search volume is approximately 30,000, but the competition is high. Competition is approximately 78. Okay, so I'm going to jot it down here. I can write like volume, then the competition is 78, so I'm going to write 78. And now you can just create a ratio. Okay, the higher would be your ratio, higher would be the ranking. Okay, so if this for example this particular keyword gets the highest ratio, then this would fall on the first rank. Now you have to search for each and every keyword you have jotted down. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. You can just add up to 5 keywords, but I'm going to do it one by one. Okay, so now as you can see that for the dog training, the search volume is quite a bit high. It is approximately 3.5 lakhs. Okay, so I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it here. Now let's see what is the competition for it. The competition is quite not much, but yeah, quite low. Okay, because 77 is not that much high. So but the volume is high, so this is really high, volume is high, you will get the ratio higher for this. Okay, so now you have to just, you can just divide the volume with the competition and you will get a ratio. Okay, so again I'm telling you this is my approach, but you can just find out that you will get the high volume, low competition, and you have to just give that keyword the higher ranking. Okay, so you have to do it for all the keywords here and you have to find out the ratio. So as you can see that by using vidIQ, I have find out my search volume, then my competition, and I have divided my volume with the competition, and here is the ratio. Higher would be the ratio, higher would be the chances of its ranking. Okay, that's why I have taken some good keywords. For example, these are some 4 keywords which I have been highlighted. These are some 4 keywords that I could use. These are some 4 keywords. 2 of them are short tail and 2 of them are long tail. Okay, so this is how to train your dog training, puppy training. Okay, so I can just take these keywords in my title. Other than that, other keywords I'm going to use in my description, and all of them I'm going to use in my tag box. Okay, so I have ranked them also. These are my suggestion also. So if you are doing this keyword analysis for your client, then you can just send them this sheet and you can just ask them that which title you want me to put or which keyword you want me to put. You can just choose accordingly and you can find out that which keyword you have to use in your title or your description. Okay, now I'm going to talk about TubeBuddy also. Okay, because in vidIQ you get the exact number, but in TubeBuddy you get the analysis. Okay, so let's see. So here's the TubeBuddy. You will click on this option, you will get the keyword explorer. Okay, so you have to click on the keyword explorer and now you have to type a keyword. For example, I'm taking this dog training. Okay, so now you have to go on the YouTube and you have to type the dog training and you have to click on the explore. Okay, so as you will click on explore, within few seconds this will show that what is the search volume. In TubeBuddy we don't get the exact number, but we get the ranking. The search volume is quite high, quite good. Okay, but the competition is not so good. Okay, so we can use this keyword, and this is the optimization strength that the competitors, your competitors which have created this particular type of video, whether they have optimized their videos good or not. Okay, so this is the optimization strength. It means that your competitors have the knowledge of YouTube, they know how to optimize their videos, and that's why their videos are ranking. Okay, otherwise if this is on the red or this is not very good, then you can just simply use it. Okay, so again I would say that either you can use the TubeBuddy or you can use the vidIQ or you can use the both, but I believe that first you have to find out keywords at your own. Now then you have to analyze them by using vidIQ or TubeBuddy. Other than that, you can do the experiments. You can just put some keywords in your titles, then see that what results you get, whether this video is ranking in the search results or not. Then you can change it after some time and you can just play with the keywords. Okay, because YouTube is all about experimenting. You learn by experiments. So I hope in any way this video was useful for you. If you have learned anything, just hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe, because there are many more videos going to come. We are going to talk about how to upload a video, how to write a title, how to write a good description, how to promote your video. Okay, so we are going to talk about everything. So do subscribe to our channel, and if you have any question or query, you can just comment down. Thank you so much.